Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk skincare, and in particular, a new product that I have been using for the last several weeks to great results, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before we get started, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and tap that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my content here on YouTube. So for the last few weeks, I have been using the Vichy LiftActiv Specialist Peptide-C Ampoules Anti-Age. So it is the first step of my skincare routine, and I use it both in the mornings and the evenings. So this particular product is great at boosting the brightness, radiance, firmness of your skin. It also reduces the look of fine wrinkles, and that's so great in my book. Vichy is a brand that I've been using for years. I actually started using the brand as a teenager. They have a line called Normaderm, which really helped my acne. It was one of the only products actually that helped my acne before seeing a dermatologist, so I really trust the brand. The ingredients are top-notch, and best of all, you see results. So the Vichy LiftActiv Specialist Peptide-C Ampoules Anti-Age is a really interesting product, but it may be a little confusing to use. So the goal of this video is basically to show you how to open this product. It comes in these little ampoules here, and how to apply it properly and preserve the freshness of the product. So the product comes in a box and it's sealed to keep the product sterile. So I've just unsealed the box and I'm opening it up here. So you have 10 ampoules here, and the ampoules are made of glass and an applicator tip. So this is particularly important because it preserves the freshness of the product. And you want the product to be fresh because then you will reap the maximum benefits of all of the great ingredients in this formulation. So before I show you how to open these ampoules and apply the product properly to your face, I just wanted to speak a little bit about this formulation and why it works, and the benefits that I've seen in my skin for the last few weeks since I started using this. So this formulation by Vichy contains phytopeptides, 10% vitamin C, and natural origin hyaluronic acid. So as I mentioned, vitamin C is so great because it really boosts the radiance of your skin. You will see a boost in the brightness of your skin if you use it twice a day. And it makes my skin, I feel, look, more plump, more glowy. And when used consistently, you will see a reduction in your fine lines. So another interesting ingredient in this formulation is Vichy's volcanic water. This volcanic water is particularly great because it protects your skin. It further protects your skin from any external environmental stressors such as pollution, harsh conditions, so on and so forth. So here are the ampoules again in its packaging, and I gotta say, on top of the great results that I've been experiencing using this product, I actually really like opening the product. It's kind of fun. So it's a tap, snap, and cap process. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm taking one of the ampoules out right here, and it comes with a plastic applicator. I'm just gonna pop this out. So here you go. You've got the ampoule. It's a little glass tube essentially, and you've got a little white mark. It's like a score in the glass. This is a glass container. So you can open this with your bare hands, but I normally use a tissue just in case to protect your hands from the glass. Not that, it shatters or anything, but, just in case. So first step, flick it. Give it a little tap, and this ensures that any product that might have been at the top of the ampoule ends up at the bottom, so you're not wasting any product. Step number 2, you take a tissue. I've got a Kleenex here, and you wrap the top, and you hold the ampoule by the tip right up here, and you just snap it. You hear that snap? There you go. It is now open and ready for use. So you can throw the top of the ampoule away. You don't need that anymore, but you do need the applicator tip here. So this is a plastic cap, and you just twist off the top. But please save this. You will need it for later to close up the cap and keep the formulation nice and fresh. So next step is you take your ampoule that's open and you twist it on here so that it's nice and secure. And when you twist off the top, there's a hole at the top, and you just tap it into your hand. So there you go. Oh, there you go. I want to save the product here. So the cap keeps it fresh for 48 hours. So the formulation is really nice, really lovely. Smells fresh and wonderful, not overpowering, and it's got a really nice like pale amber color. So how I apply it, I'm very gentle with my skin. You don't want to be tugging at your skin because that promotes micro tears and also promotes fine lines. So you apply the serum to freshly washed skin. I'm not wearing any makeup here. There we go. I love the dewy glow it gives you. I'm not wearing too much makeup anymore as it is. I'm sorry, I'm just going to rub it into my hairline here, under my eyes. I'm really careful under my eyes because I don't want to promote fine lines. There you go. I'm just going to add a little bit more, ensuring that I'm saving enough for tonight's application. And I'm just adding a little bit more because I like to bring it down to my neck and décolleté. I shouldn't have worn my chain. You don't ever want to neglect your neck or your décolleté. And the excess, you rub into the backs of your hands. I've been using this for the past several weeks, maybe about 6 weeks now. And again, I use it in the morning and the evening. I had a really bad pimple right here, and I find the vitamin C is really, really effective at lightening hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C speeds up the healing, the fading, the lightening of that hyperpigmentation. So while I've started using this dark chocolate chip looking thing here has lightened up quite a bit. I've also noticed a lightening in the hyperpigmentation around my mouth. It's always been a bit dark around here, and it looks more even. Since using this, I definitely use less foundation, which is great. I want my skin to show through. I feel like, you know, makeup is fun in general, and you can create all sorts of looks from natural to super glam. But for everyday looks, for everyday life, I really love the look of my natural skin showing through, and I feel the Vichy LiftActiv Specialist Peptide-C Ampoules Anti-Age really helps me with that. So now that I'm finished applying my serum, I'm just going to take the cap and put it on there, and it is good for use for tonight and tomorrow's application and tomorrow night's application. So I just want to reiterate that every ampoule is 2 days worth of applications, both morning and night. Just ensure that that cap is on securely and that you've closed it up so that oxygen's not getting into it and degrading all those lovely products that are so beneficial for your skin. So just to finish off here, I apply the serum to my freshly washed skin, and then I let it dry for about 30 seconds. Sometimes I speed it along by doing this, but just apply it, leave it alone for 30 seconds, let it dry, let it sink into your skin, and then you're good to apply your moisturizers, your SPF, your makeup, so on and so forth. So personally, I feel this is a great antioxidant product. I've really benefited from it. I've seen a really great improvement in the quality of my skin. I've never seen my skin look this even and this radiant and glowing my whole life. Since I was a teenager, I always relied on makeup to even out my skin and cover up acne and cover up hyperpigmentation. I'm just really happy to have found a product that really works works for me. I feel that you can really benefit from it also. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me or leave them in the comments section. If you do decide to try it, please let me know how it goes. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check me out on Instagram at dominique.baker. I would love that. If you want any more information, check out the Vichy website. It is really, really helpful, really extensive, full of great information. So I will wrap it up there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.